Hello, this is Jigme Yeshey, and I will be presenting a bit on my application of my to-do list. So, on launching the app, you are presented with the home page. So the home page contains the my to-do list. So the my to-do list is basically a list that contains a list of tasks that need to be completed. Each tasks are associated with an icon on the side. This icon allows you to toggle between expanded and closed view. In closed view, you can only view the title of the task, and in the expanded view, you can additionally view the description as well as two icons. These two icons have their own functionalities. The green icon will mark the task as completed, and the green icon will no longer be visible. While on the other hand, clicking on the red icon will completely erase the task from the list. So let's delete that one. The home page also features a button at the end of the page called Add New To Do, which directs users to an input field. So this input field allows users to add new data to the list. It has a validation implemented into it. As you can see, the save button is not visible at the moment. Both fields need to be filled out in order for the save button to be viewable. On the other hand, there's also this back button which takes you back to the home page. Now, as you can see, the save button is now visible. This is to ensure that no empty fields are added to the list. Clicking the save button will trigger this pop-up notification indicating that the task has been updated. Now if you go back, you can see that the task that we had initially deleted has been added back again by us again. Now a bit about the app's format. The code is stored in this file called src. src contains two additional folders, components and screens. So the screens contains two files, home and to do, which represent the two pages that we had seen accordingly. So home or home page contains lists, but the code of the list isn't viewable here. It has been moved to a different file so as to compartmentalize the code to make it more viewable and readable at the same time. So yeah, the lists has a lot of logic that needs to be implemented into it and a lot of CSS as well. So it would be easier to view it if it was compartmentalized. While on the other hand, the to-do page contains the input fields, all information pertaining to that. One important aspect to note about this implementation is async storage. So async storage is a method allows you to save data through multiple app sessions, which means that data persists through different app launches, which makes it ideal for this type of implementation. So what happens is, let's look at list first. What happens is, first of all, the tasks data that has been stored in async storage is pulled, and any changes that has been made to it is saved back into async storage. Similarly, any new input data that has been input through the input fields gets pushed into the task data that has been pulled, and then the new task data is being updated into async storage. Thank you so much.